Okay. Hey guys, Mike Senior here over at 4351 Hatchery Road. This is our newest acquisitions, and I wanted to take you through and take a look real quick. This one, I think the individual passed away, and we got it from one of our wholesalers, and it's kind of working out great. Let me show you the befores, because everybody else likes the afters, but the befores are usually the funnest. So we come on in here, and this place was stacked. Our guys did an amazing job. This thing was stacked wall to wall, everything in it, just piles of junk and garbage and stuff like this. And over here is the kitchen. What we like to do is those cool videos where we do the snap finger, and this one's going to look actually spectacular when it's done. So you got a little living room in here and a family room over here. This is a really large family room for Waterford. Waterford houses, typically have smaller living rooms. And this has got a nice living room and a family room over here. It's huge, got a little stove. We don't know if we're going to keep the stove. Laundry room, dining room, and kitchen. This one's going to be really cool because it has a carport right out this door. And here's kind of stuff that we have to play with. And this is the kind of stuff that we have to remove. Now, isn't that spectacular? Absolutely awesome. Come on over here. We'll show you the bedrooms and the bathroom. So over here, this bathroom over here is pretty much trashed. This is what we call a total gut job and redo. We're just videotaping it right now just to show you guys what it's going to end up looking like afterwards, and it's going to be a night and day difference. Over here, we got bedroom 1, bedroom 2. Which I think this individual was one person, and he's got really nice closet space in here, but we're going to have to end up turning it back into a bedroom. It's horrible because this closet material is really expensive, but when we're done, it'll look really cool. Now, this is really cool, the master bedroom. It's got 8-foot glass doors for the closets. It makes the room look bigger. We're going to try and keep those. And a door wall going out into the backyard. The backyard needs a little landscaping. This is probably going to be our highest budget landscaping out of any house we've ever done. I mean, the backyard's kind of blah, but it's a big lot. It's going to look beautiful when it's done. If you guys ever have any questions or like that, please give us a call, or the number will be underneath us. And then later on, we'll show you the middle when we get into it, and the afters before we sell it. And then we'll let anybody know if they're looking for a beautiful house in Waterford. If you guys have any questions, please contact us. The number's right down here. Have a great day, guys.